Hello everyone. TechGoodReads give you good things to read, to listen. Today, let's talk about high availability in AWS. High availability is a characteristic of a system which aims to ensure an agreed level of operational performance, usually uptime, for a higher than normal period. For the high availability, we usually use uptime or downtime to evaluate. We can see the right side of the picture, there's a table for the high availability. Usually we use how many nines digit to represent the design goal for this HA. For example, for the 3.9, it means uptime is 99.9%. And this means that downtime per day is 86 seconds. When we want to achieve a HA for system, you need to think about how it can recover from a failure or roll over to a secondary source. AWS service already have HAs, and you can consult those design goals for each system, how many nines is want to achieve. But for your system, when you design it, you also need to think about how to achieve it. The first solution to achieve it is that application level, you need to think about to use the ELB, Elastic Load Balancing. There are mainly two types of ELB. One is application load balancer, the other is network load balancer. For the application load balancer is layer 7, and it's a load balancing of the HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Using this load balancer is very flexible for your applications. The other is network load balancer. This is the layer 4, and it's a load balancing of the TCP, TLS, and UDP. Using this layer of the LB is you're focusing on the performance. Also, when you use the ELB, you want to achieve high availability, you can enable this registration delay to prevent customer impact when removing an instance. We can see that using a ELB in front of the EC2 instances, it can route traffic, distribute traffic between the different instances. Except ELB, we can also use other methods in the AWS to achieve HA. One is availability zones. In each AWS region, it usually has several availability zones. Each availability zone is one data center. Maybe connecting to one data center has some networking issues, so that data center is not available. So you need to have another data center. So using several availability zones can help you service always running. This is the application layer. You need to think about to use ELB and availability zones. For the database layer, you can use multi-AZs. For the Aurora or those services, it provides multi-AZ deployments. So this can help your database always available. Maybe also you think about that have a secondary data center that is in the other AWS regions. In this way, you can use the DNS, use route 53. If there's a problem in one region, for example, you have your one data center in the US West 2, that service has some issues, and you can route the traffic to the Europe regions and also serve the customers. In summary, today we talk about high availability in the AWS. I hope This content can help you improve your service which building on the AWS. This is Chenny. Thank you for listening. See you next time.